In this video, I show you how to archive posts and unarchive posts on Instagram. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it and it helps get this video to more people. So I'm showing this quick guide on Instagram, which is going to work on any device as well, which has Instagram on it. So make sure to watch this video right until the end and let's go and get into this. So the first thing of course you want to do is go and open up Instagram, and here we go. I'm currently on my home screen. So come to your profile and let's go and first go and archive a post, and then I'll go and show you how to unarchive them. So to go and archive one, all you want to do is go to the top right where you've got those three dots, click there. And as you can see, you have delete and then archive. Archive is basically deleting it, but you can go and get it back, but it's still being removed off of your profile and off everyone's feeds, of course. So go and click on archive, and there you go. It's going to go and be removed. If I refresh, there we go. That picture has now gone. And I'll do it for another one as well, just for the example. Archive, and then it goes and removes it from my feed. Now, a lot of people wonder, then how do I go and get it back? Now, to go and do this, all you want to do is go and click in the top right, and you may have archive here. If you don't have archive below settings, click on settings and go to account and simply scroll down, and you may need to switch to professional account only if you don't have archive there. If you do have archive there, don't worry, come back to your home screen, click on those three bars again, go and click on archive, and you need to go and make sure you click on post archive. It may be in stories archive, so make sure post archive is selected, and then you go and select the posts you'd like to go and unarchive and put them back on your profile. So say if I want to go and do this one, click on it and go and click in the top right and go and click show on profile, and that's essentially unarchiving it. And we'll go and do the next one as well. So I'm going to click on it here, click on those three dots in the top right and go and click on show on profile. And then if I go back, I'll go and refresh, and boom, all three posts are now back there. Archiving is such a great tool, and you can easily go and remove pictures from your profile and put them back on just like that. I hope you found this video useful. Peace.